old-world charm and modern-day luxury are perfectly married at Sleepy Oak Chateau, a European-inspired grand manor located in the city of Hunters Creek Village, just outside of Houston, Texas. Nestled on 1.1 acres of park-like grounds, this 12,000 square foot residence includes all of the fine details one would expect in such a luxurious setting. This signature home rests privately behind secure gates, flanked by stone-pillared walls and the 125-foot driveway, bordered by statuesque trees to the residence beyond. The three-tiered fountain and grand motor court are both breathtaking and inviting. There's plenty of room to park multiple vehicles in the court and an additional 4 in the 2 double extended garages. Once inside the home, an awe-inspiring 2-story entryway with groin-vaulted ceiling, wrought iron crystal chandeliers, and travertine flooring greet visitors with the promise of absolute luxury. The rest of the house refuses to disappoint as well. Features include a spectacular chef's kitchen with 3 ovens and Meal built-in coffee maker, a climate-controlled wine room with storage for 1,000 bottles, and an incredible 2-story study and library. Seven spacious bedrooms, along with 7 full and 2 half bathrooms, provide plenty of living space. And the master suite is nothing short of a fabulous haven of beauty and convenience. Perfect for entertaining, Sleepy Oak Chateau provides ample leisure area for guests, both indoors and out.